Hello children, in this video we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 5.2. Now question is, what part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing a question east and turn clockwise to face north? Now here three sub questions. In each question, starting position is given, you turn clockwise or anti-clockwise is given, your ending position is given, and here we have to find out fraction of a revolution or part of a revolution. Part of a revolution means fraction of a revolution. Now to understand answers of these questions, I have drawn here figure of directions: north direction, east direction, south direction and west direction. And I wrote here relation between number of right angles with fraction of a revolution. Now first, one right angle is equal to 1/4 of a revolution. Two right angles is equal to 1/2 of a revolution. Three right angles is equal to 3/4 of a revolution. It is very useful to write the answers of these questions. Now, first question: if you stand facing east and turn clockwise to face north, now your face is towards east. Your starting position is east, and you turn clockwise to face north. Means you turn clockwise to face north. In this direction, you turn to north. Now, during this turn, or if you turn from east to north, then you turn through three right angles: 1, 2, 3, and we know that three right angles is equal to 3/4 of a revolution. Or here three right angles, therefore on numerator 3, and in total revolution, in one complete revolution, there are 4 right angles. Therefore, in denominator we write 4. Therefore, answer of this question is 3/4 of a revolution. Now, B question: if you stand facing south and turn clockwise to face east, now your starting position is south. Your starting position is south, and you turn clockwise to face east. Therefore, from south in clockwise direction to face east. Therefore, we can say that if you turn clockwise from south to east, therefore you turn through three right angles: 1, 2, 3. Therefore, three right angles is equal to 3/4 of a revolution. Therefore, answer of this question is 3/4 of a revolution. Now question C: if you stand facing west and turn clockwise to face east, now here starting position is west. Starting position is west and turn clockwise to face east. Therefore, from west to east in clockwise direction. Therefore, if you turn clockwise from west to east. Therefore, you turn through two right angles, 1 and 2, and two right angles is equal to 1/2 of a revolution. Therefore, answer of this question is 1/2. Or in another method, during this turn, how many right angles? 1 and 2. Therefore, in numerator we write 2, and in one complete revolution, in complete turn, there are 4 right angles. Therefore, fraction is 2/4. Both are divided by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4 is equal to 1/2. Therefore, answer is 1/2. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.